और मैं आ गई हूँ आज at Runwal Garden City. In this video about Runwal Garden City, I'm going to tell you everything about the project overview, about the location, amenities, the structures और मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ इनका खूबसूरत सा 2 BHK फ्लैट भी. So बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ. तब तक हम देखते हैं towards the project. This is a total 256 acres of land parcel जिसमें आपको मिल जाएंगे 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments, and it also comes with these beautiful amenities that are going to be there between each and every tower. Now this area that you can see is the central park facing amenities that you're gonna have, जिसके अंदर होने वाले हैं 200 plus world class amenities, and there's also going to be an infinity swimming pool on the rooftop, which you can already see. Let me also tell you about the pricing. The 355 square feet apartment starts from 39 lakhs onwards. The 533 square feet apartment starts from 59 lakhs onwards. The 740 square feet starts from 85 lakh onwards. There are going to be total 8 phases, and these are going to be one of the tallest towers in Dombivli East. And along with this, there is also going to be a 10 lakh square feet garden area. This project is constructed in a land parcel which is over 250 acres. But what matters is what does the sample flat look from inside. And this is the 669 square feet 2 BHK. Come inside and let me show you the place. This over here is your beautiful living and dining area, which comes in an L shaped, and it also comes with a very beautiful balcony. Here it is. Let's take a look at this. ये दरवाजे हमने खोल दिए और ये रही आपकी balcony जो कि आएगी एक साइड से covered with an iron railing, and also the flooring is anti-skid tiles. बढ़ते हैं from the living area towards the dining and the kitchen. Now the kitchen over here comes with this really cute slab over here for your electrical appliances, and this L-shaped granite slab ends at the vegetable sink. And also there is a dry utility area as well. Now quickly come back into the dining area ताकि मैं आपको दिखा सकूं bedrooms. ये है सबसे पहला common bedroom यहाँ का, जो कि है आपका kids bedroom, and perfect ventilation and lighting. Again, half of this is a fixed glass, half of this is a sliding window. It's been divided in 4 parts ताकि आप जितनी खिड़की चाहे उतनी खुली रख सके, जितनी आप मुंबई की बारिश को चाहे उतना ही एंजॉय कर सकें, लेकिन रोशनी आपको मिलेगी पूरी पूरी. अब हम बढ़ते हैं आगे की तरफ. यहाँ पर है आपका कॉमन टॉयलेट एंड बाथ, जिसमें कि आपको मिल जाएंगे CP सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स एंड ऑल द टाइल्स एज दे आर. ये जो आइल एरिया आप देख रहे हैं, ये है मास्टर बेडरूम का एंट्रेंस, और यहाँ पर है आपका मास्टर टॉयलेट एंड बाथ भी. और उसी के साथ साथ ये है आपका मास्टर बेडरूम का व्यू. अब इस व्यू को देखने के लिए मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जो टफन्ड ग्लास है, ये आधा फिक्स्ड है और आधा आ जाएगा विंडो में, जिसमें आपको यहाँ पर भी मिल जाएंगी 4 स्लाइडिंग विंडोज, ताकि ये पूरी की पूरी दीवार जो है ये खुल जाएगी, so that you can dive into nature and enjoy the views. Now I'm sure after seeing all the views, after seeing the apartment, and after knowing all the details, you also need to know कि booking कैसे करनी है. Stay with me, मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. And now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you're very interested in knowing कि booking कैसे करनी है. Well, booking कैसे करनी है उसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूँ कि Property Cloud क्या है. This is India's only PropTech service which connects you directly with the developer and also helps you do virtual site tours. Now, what are the advantages of Property Cloud? Well, it's very simple. First thing, that we are a PropTech service. So you don't have to do actual physical site visits and go and check out each and every property. हम आपको सारी के सारे property के details यहीं पर बताते हैं आपके mobile phone पर या आपके laptop पर. After that, when you need to do a physical site visit, after you've shortlisted a couple of properties, then we provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own relationship manager who will take you on the site visits and also tell you all the other details that you need to know. Now, along with this, we also connect you directly with the developer. Thereby, we do not charge you any brokerage. So we have a completely zero brokerage policy, and we also give you many payment options and also many booking offers and spot payment offers too. So you get the best of deals, the best of discounts, zero brokerage and free pickup and drop service and much more only at Property Cloud. और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है क्या, तो नहीं. Property Cloud is present across the globe in major cities of India like Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, तो आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, वो है आपको करना है क्लिक नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर. Once you click on this link, we will get in touch with you and we will help you buy your dream home absolutely hassle-free. Stay tuned to us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud.